Struggling with PTE preparation? Get free, unlimited practice, anywhere, anytime with PTEclasses.com. Choose a plan that fits your study timeline, and gain full access to mock tests, predicted questions, and tailored templates. It's fast and simple to get started. Log in directly with your Google account. Our AI-powered platform provides instant, high-accuracy scoring and real-time feedback on your pronunciation, fluency, and grammar. We offer flexible study options, including our 7-day, 15-day, 30-day, or 90-day plans. If you are an Android user, you can purchase your plan and apply your discount voucher directly within the mobile app. For iOS users, simply open your web browser and head over to our web portal to purchase your plan. Whether you're on the app or the portal, you can save even more by using your voucher code at checkout. Just input your voucher code at checkout to claim your discount. Once you have selected your plan, choose your preferred payment gateway. Enter your voucher code in the designated box and click Redeem Voucher to apply your discount. You will see your discount applied to the total. The price will drop from the original amount to the new, discounted total. Ready to ace your exam? Start now and get 50% off your subscription.